Want ChatGPT to remind you about important events or automatically perform recurring tasks? ChatGPT Tasks lets you schedule one-time or repeating requests, making it easier to stay organized without constantly creating new reminders yourself. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT Tasks from start to finish. Let's get started. First, open ChatGPT and sign in to your account. If your account includes access to tasks, you'll be able to create scheduled requests directly from ChatGPT. Next, choose the option to create a new task, or simply tell ChatGPT what you want to be reminded about. Include exactly what you want ChatGPT to do and when you'd like it to happen. Now choose when the task should run. You can create a one-time reminder for a specific date and time, or schedule recurring tasks to repeat every day, every week, or on another schedule that fits your needs. Before saving the task, double-check the instructions, date, time, and repetition settings. Making sure everything is correct now helps avoid missed reminders or unexpected notifications later. After creating your task, you can return to the Tasks section to view, edit, pause, or delete scheduled tasks whenever needed. Keeping your task list organized makes it easier to stay productive. ChatGPT Tasks can help with many daily activities. You can schedule study reminders, workout plans, meeting follow-ups, writing sessions, project deadlines, language practice, or recurring planning sessions. Choose tasks that save you time and help you stay consistent. To receive your reminders on time, make sure notifications are enabled for ChatGPT on your device. Depending on where you're using ChatGPT, you may also need to allow browser or mobile app notifications, and that's how to use ChatGPT Tasks. By scheduling reminders and recurring requests, you can stay organized, save time, and let ChatGPT help you keep track of important work. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI guides, and thanks for watching.